What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this training video, I'm going to show you how to install, download, and log in to Engage and Eddy. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the Chrome store. Once you get to the Chrome store, you want to go to the search bar at the very top and type in Engaging Eddy. You're going to see Engage and Eddy, the engaging elephant. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and you're going to see it show up here in your taskbar. What you want to do is you want to click on this little puzzle icon, find Engage and Eddy, click on that little pin button. When you click on it, it'll automatically save it up here. And then when you go ahead and click on there, you can log in. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out if you have any kind of issues. I'll see you guys in the next training video.